Well, the leaders of companies are always looking to make their businesses more efficient. But now, as Mike Hsu reports, BGE Home is testing a product with a family tie.
The number one expense at BGE Home are the people who make this business work. But coming in second is the cost of the 300 vehicle fleet, a fleet which this year will burn through hundreds of thousands of gallons of gas. So, as you can imagine, burning less of it will save a lot of money. Dave DeRemus is the fleet analyst. This may sound like a regular truck, but underneath it's been heavily modified. A full hybrid system has been seamlessly fitted into 10 of the trucks used by BGE Home.
What's nice about these vans is you almost don't even know it's a hybrid. It drives just like our regular vans.
It may drive the same, but it certainly doesn't cost the same to drive. The company which does the conversions, XL Hybrid, claims clients see a 25% improvement, in this case a bump from 11 to 14 miles a gallon. Dwayne Grove is the truck buyer.
We hope to see close to the claims of XL Hybrid, where they say up to 25% improvement in fuel efficiency. Obviously, that's less fuel, that's less dollars spent, but also it's less carbon emissions, helping reduce our carbon footprint.
And get this, BGE Home is owned by Constellation Energy, which recently became an investor in XL Hybrid. It's something business consultants call symbiosis, or dissimilar groups benefiting each other.
We're really excited about it. We're hopeful that we see some of these efficiencies gain, and we're hoping to be kinder to the environment and not have such a huge footprint given the vehicles we have on the road today.
In Whitemarsh, I'm Mike Hsu for WJZ.